Hello, in this video we are going to check maximum camera zoom range for the photo and the video mode on Honor 90. So let's take a look. In the photo mode we can zoom into the 10 times, and as you can see the quality of the zoom is really good, it's really impressive. It's actually really close to the Zenfone 10. There's also the Optic image stabilization because the screen is not shaking. That's a really good point of this phone. And when you go to the video mode, let's take a look. In the video mode we are able to zoom into the 6 times. And the quality is also good. Not that good like in the photo mode, but it's also looking nice. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.